How's it going, guys? I'm entering Shenandoah National Park. We're going to do some blue lining here for native brookies and wild browns that were introduced years ago and now naturally reproduce. Got my spinning set up here, small single hook rooster tail on. Let's go get these trout. We are coming into more and more of these big pools with large waterfalls dropping into them. This should be trout territory here. A little tap. There's one. All right, finally. God, this took forever. Come here, buddy. Yes. All right. I just climbed up the waterfall and there's another nice pool right here. Let's try and bang one out of here. Oh yeah. Oh, he came out and smoked it. Wow. It's another nice one. Second brook of the day. Up on top of this big waterfall. I was frustrated from missing a few fish down there. There's the second brook of the day. About the same size as the first one. Oh yeah, another one, back to back. Oh, it's turning on for me, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, a little guy. This is the first really small one that I've hooked. I'm still moving upstream, and we are getting way more action now that I'm way upstream. Oh man, oh, he came off. That was a nice one. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, here buddy, nice, right in the net. I missed a couple out of that hole, and I think there was one even bigger than this one. This is another nice one though. There's another nice brook. Let's let him go. There's one. There we go. I knew there'd be one in here. Another gorgeous brookie. Hold on, hold on. There you go. That's a big one. It's the biggest one yet. Yeah. And he just popped off. Look at that. Hold on. There we go. Biggest brookie yet. It's probably about 10 inches, maybe 11. Came off right at the end. Another decent one. Oh yeah. Wow. Holy crap. Oh, that's a quality brook there. Oh my goodness. In that little teeny spot, I never would have thought. Oh, look at that. Wow, this one's picture worthy. I've done pretty good. Lots of brookies, no browns, but lots of brookies. And they should definitely be up in here. Oh yeah. Oh, he just came off. Good fight, buddy. This is going to be the last pool that I fish. It looks really good, and I have got so far to walk back. I'm going to be walking back in the dark, most likely.